Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your wallet address on Binance app. So first of all, you need to open your Binance app here, and after opening the Binance app, if you have updated version of Binance app, you will right corner you will have the deposit option here. So if you don't have the deposit option right here, you can just tap on this right corner in the wallet here, and if you go to the funding option, you will also have a deposit option here. So just tap on the funding option and then tap again a deposit. And then you need to choose what kind of crypto you want to deposit in your crypto wallet, or you want to send another wallet to other exchange or other wallet that you want to send. So for example, if I want to send BTC here, you just need to search for the BTC, or you can just choose from here. And after that, you need to know what kind of network they are using or what kind of network you want to send the crypto here. So if you want, you have to know they're using the BTC network or BNB Smart Chain network or Lightning network or any other network that you're using. So you need to use the correct chain here. For example, if you're using BNB Smart Chain, so I'm just going to choose the BNB Smart Chain here. And this is the BTC address for the BNB Smart Chain wallet address here. As you can see, this is the deposit address. So if someone wants to send you some BTC, you have to copy this and send this wallet address, so they can also send the BTC in your BNB Smart Chains in the Binance app here. Or if you want to change or send another crypto exchange, you have to also use this wallet address here. So that's it guys, this is how you can find the wallet address and also the QR code here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.